sobrang surreal ng moment na to for me. Sir MJ, parang I've waited for this moment my whole life, ever since bata pa lang ako. Syempre, I've always grown up watching Star Cinema movies, and of course, seeing our very own trailer, napaka-rewarding. And, siguro, I don't know, parang natutuwa lang talaga ako para sa little Bianca na nangarap. I'm so proud of her, and dumating kasi ako sa isang point ng buhay ko, syempre alam ng karamihan before PBB na hindi ko alam kung para sa akin ba yung mga pangarap ko. So, to that old version of Bianca, mag-antay ka lang. Darating ka rin siya. So, maraming salamat po sa mga taong naniwala po sa akin, and those times wherein I really doubted myself. Star Cinema has been there for me since day one. Sabay sila nangarap kasama ako, and through thick and thin, they've always been there for me. So maraming salamat po to Sir Chris Gasman, of course, Tito Cory, Sir Carlo, of course, Direk May. Direk May was my first director ever. Now we're here, we have our first movie. And of course, thank you so much to GMA. Thank you to Regal. I know na bago lang po ako sa inyo, and wala pa po akong napapatunayan. But thank you for giving me a chance to do this. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my craft with you. It was such an honor, and ayan, maraming salamat po.
Parang tapos na yung press ko.
Sorry,
We're just getting started.
ako sa emotion.